the phenomenal success of Hyundai i30 N, Koreans are becoming braver, setting off sails, and off we go with the wind. And what do we get? Well, something very chic and elegant. Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to Hyundai i30 Fastback N. The question is, can this car be both nice and naughty? Well, as always, we're going to hop in and find out what the car is all about. Let's get down to nitty-gritty, shall we? We've got a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. There are two types, in fact. One produces 250 horsepower and the other one 275 horsepower. When it comes to torque, we've got 350 newton meters, but you can also get the overboost, and that brings you up to 380 newton meters. So this is all sounding and looking very promising, especially that the person responsible for putting it all together is the ex-BMW M-Lad, Albert Biemann. Sorry BMW, tough life, but I say good for Hyundai. Let's talk money, honey, shall we? This car is a little bit more expensive than the hatchback version, 900 Swiss francs to be precise, which is more or less an equivalent to the US dollar. And this brings us to 39,500. If you ask me, it's a pretty magnificent value for money, especially that you're getting 5 years warranty, which essentially significantly decreases the chance of your dealer messing with you and making you extremely angry, which in today's world, well, it is priceless. We're all getting stress for no reason. I say, let's keep it fluffy. So this car looks very crisp and sophisticated, but how does it feel to drive it, really? Well, the suspension isn't fluffy. This is not a cocoon kind of suspension. It's firm, it's sporty, yet it manages to absorb most of the nasty imperfections on the road. The car is relatively easy to handle. The steering is sharp, very precise. It's such actually a pleasure, not to mention the amount of fun that you're getting with this car. Is just so responsive. You put your foot down and boy, this car is flying. We've got a 6-speed manual gearbox and the gear changes very precise. It is nice and short, very sporty, but this is driver's car, yeah? So if you like and enjoy changing gears, well, it might just be the perfect car for you. Just like the hothead i30 N, this baby is designed to have a magnificent track performance. Well, but does it? Can it keep it together? I suppose more appropriate question would be, can I keep it together? Because this is the first time in my life that I'm driving a manual car on a racetrack. And do I feel safe? Well, sure I do. This car steers, oh dear. It's good. I mean, it's more than good. It's aggressive, it's loud, and it's fast. You put your foot down, Jesus Christ. But I feel very stable and balanced. You know, this is a very hot coupe, and it's just, I mean, I love it. I mean, I just love it. So I've got a very special guest with me, Gabriele Tarquini. We're just gonna go for a casual, very leisure drive. Can I keep it together? Well, let's find out. Oh my God, we made it, and it's sorry. So what are my final thoughts on the Hyundai i30 Fastback N? Well, you gotta give it to Hyundai. They've nailed the looks. The car looks very stylish, very sexy. I love the look of it. It serves as a perfect sporty and hot daily cruiser, but it's got that purr under the bonnet that never goes to sleep. And when the claws come out, well, oh boy, you can have a lot of fun. So I say yes to the all-new Hyundai. And this brings me to the end of this video. I'd like to thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed it. A big thank you to Nicolas from Hyundai Switzerland for bringing me here to this beautiful Spanish island, Gran Canaria. As always, I look forward to your comments and your questions. Just be nice, don't be mean. And I shall all see you very, very soon. Bye!